Track 118. The Little Brown Bird. Listen, look, and read. 1.
Many years ago, there was a little brown bird that lived at the top of a tall, tall tree.
2.
It was a happy little bird, and it sang loudly, and its song was beautiful.
3.
Winter came, the snow came, and a cold wind blew. It got colder and colder.
4.
A father and son were travelling a long way to their home. They had nowhere to stay.
5.
The father made a small fire with sticks, and both went to sleep on the cold ground.
6.
The fire started to go out. A hungry wolf saw the man and boy.
A tasty meal for me today. Yum, yum.
7.
The little bird saw the wolf and saw the fire.
I must help. I must make the fire burn again.
8.
The little bird flapped its wings, and the fire got bigger and bigger. But the fire burnt the little bird's breast.
9.
The man and boy woke up and saw the brave little bird. They thanked the little bird loudly.
You have saved us from the wolf. 10.
From that day, these little brown birds have a red breast. Brave little birds.